Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. TVJ Sports understands that reports have now been submitted to the competitions and disciplinary committees of the Jamaica Football Federation following Monday's violent scenes during the final of the Red Stripe Premier League. Portmore United defeated Waterhouse 1-0 to hoist back-to-back titles, but the game was stopped for almost 20 minutes as spectators flung objects including bottles and buckets onto the field of play. Both teams ended the game with 10 players after Rafiq Thomas of Waterhouse and Portmore's Damian Williams were ejected for fighting. A source close to the matter told TVJ Sports that the JFF has demanded that a meeting involving club representatives and the disciplinary committee be convened and the recommended sanctions submitted by Monday of next week. It's understood that the matter has angered members of the JFF board who are upset at the tardiness in dealing with the issue.